Hughes Creek is a natural part of the local landscape that defines the township of Avenel. Since settlement first occurred, the town has slowly developed around the creek's winding path. The environment around the creek has changed as progress dictated harvesting the eucalypt forests that grew along the creek. Interconnection shows evidence of people within this environment and changes due to building dams upstream. Avenel is a sustainable-minded community with its diverse local flora and fauna. Local community groups have received government funding for revegetation. Changes in traditional farming practices from meat to growing grapes has increased the economic sustainability of Avenel. This is a peaceful, community-minded small country town. Avenel was built between Mount Bernard and Hughes Creek. The hills in our district form part of the Great Dividing Range and feature large granite outcrops. Since settlement, this area has changed vastly, but there are still enough reminders of our past to show us how to manage the future.